Wow, they're so cute. Oh, what if I hold them? Hello, little one. Can I hold you? Hi everyone, if you're planning to have a bird buddy that you can pet like a dog, you're in the right video. It's highly recommended for you to buy a baby bird or a hand-feed bird. By the way, I'm Ezekiel Clark Cruz from 12 Galilee, and this is Kiwi, my feather buddy. And today, we will teach you how to hand-feed birds. Let's go! First, let me introduce you to my bird buddies. This is Kiwi, Lemon, and Banana. Let's go! To start feeding our hand-feed birds, we'll be needing warm water, a small cup, a syringe, and a tissue paper because it will gonna be messy. Lastly, we need a hand-feed formula. Oops, not sponsored. So, let's start! First, take the syringe and transfer the right amount of water into the small cup. Next, scoop some formula. You should achieve the right viscosity, not too thin and not too thick. Just mix it well until you became a super saiyan. When you achieve this viscosity, dip your finger to make sure that your bird won't get burned. Suck the right amount of formula and get ready to feed your bird. When feeding them, you should point the syringe right to left direction of their beak. This will help you to avoid the formula going to their tracheas to their lungs that may cause you a big problem to your bird. It will gonna be messy. Banana, come! After feeding them, make sure to have a wet cloth to wipe the excess formula on their feathers. It is crucial for their hygiene and comfort, helping prevent bacterial growth and ensuring a clean environment for the bird. Here are some clips on how I tamed my Kiwi. Good bird. Ow, ow, ow. Ah. Kiwi. Good bird. And that's all. I hope you learned something from me. Bye!